Welcome to the cutting-edge world of fiber laser cutting. But what exactly is it? Let's delve in. Fiber laser cutting is a technology that uses a laser to slice through materials. Unlike traditional cutting methods, it offers unparalleled precision and speed. Older methods often fall short in speed, quality, and efficiency. That's where fiber laser cutting comes in. In the packaging industry, this technology is a game changer. Whether it's cutting packaging material or etching product information, the applications are endless. So, how does this improve efficiency? For starters, fiber laser cutters are up to 2x faster than conventional methods, and it doesn't just stop at speed. The precision allows for more material to be used effectively, reducing waste. The result? A more sustainable, cost-effective, and efficient packaging process.